In this video, we're going to create an event handler for our LoadVars object. Go a few lines below the code we wrote in the last video and type mylv with capital L and a capital V dot onload space equals space function open parenthesis e underscore success colon boolean with a capital B close parenthesis, colon, void with a capital V, and press enter. This might look really confusing. Let me explain. The onload event handler executes a command when all the information from an outside source or URL or text file or whatever is loaded. The function has one parameter, and that's a boolean, which means true or false parameter. P underscore success is just the word we're using for that for right now. We have a colon and then void at the end to tell Flash that this function is not going to return a value. Let's go to the next line. Open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, and press enter again to get down to the next line in between the two brackets. Now we're going to type a conditional statement. The purpose of this is to say, if all the information is loaded, then do this, and if it's not loaded, then do this other thing. Type if, open parenthesis, p underscore success, close parenthesis. So it's basically saying, if this p underscore success value is true, which means if all the information from the outside file is loaded, then do this. Then remember it's in brackets, so I'm going to go down one, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter, get in the middle of the brackets. What we want to do here is say, if all the information is loaded, then display the text in the text file in the text box on the stage. To do that, type txt underscore info, that's the name of the instance of our dynamic text box on the stage, dot html text with capital T, space equals space my capital L capital V dot info semicolon. This line of code tells Flash to place the information in the info variable we're going to reference later from an outside text file into the text underscore info text box. This .html text just means that it will display HTML text, which means the external text file can have limited HTML coding that will translate into Flash. If this doesn't make perfect sense right now, as we do it, it will make more sense, so don't worry. I'm going to go down a few lines. I'm going to press enter after the closed bracket, the if statement. I'm going to type else. If there is a problem loading, we want this to happen. Open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. txt underscore info dot text space equals space open quotes error loading file close quote semicolon. The dot text property of a text field can display whatever text you want. So after the equal sign, you put whatever text you want the text field to display in quotes. So the way this is going to work is if everything's loaded properly, it's going to display the information in the text underscore info text field. If it doesn't load properly, this error message will show up. In the next video, we'll have Flash actually load the variables and display the text.